I love what I do. The question is, do you love what you do? I believe you should, because that's the only way you'll be able to do great work. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Samira. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made this simple two-layered pleated dress. Hey, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment sweet things about my channel in the comment section below. Also turn notification bell to get to see my sewing tutorials that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. And if you have your fabric there with you, bring it out to cut along with me, guys. And don't forget to watch this video to the end. So let's dive into today's tutorial. I've went ahead to fold my fabric in 4 parts. So that's what I'm showing you guys. I folded it into 4 parts. After that, I'll be measuring 15.5 inches for my length. So my length is by 15.5 inches. After that, I'm going to measure my shoulder. It's by 16 inches. Then I'll be dividing it by 2. So after dividing it by 2, I'm having 8 inches. So that's 8 inches for my shoulder. After that, I'll go by 8 inches for my chest line. Then I'm going to roll it out with my ruler. You can see me doing in the video. After that, I'll be marking 3 inches for my neckline. I will also go down by 6 inches for the depth of my neckline. After that, I will be marking 3 inches for the round curve of the neckline. So I'm going to give a curve now. So that's for the neckline. Then I'm going to take it down to my 6 inches point. So that's what I'm doing with my chalk now. So you can see how unique it is to make this style that we are making today. So my zipper is by ½ inch because of my fabric size. My back neckline, I'll go by 1 inch. Then I'm going to give a curve for that for the back neckline. Then I'll be marking ½ inch to slope my shoulder. So I'm going to use my ruler to slope it down for my shoulder slope. After that, I'll be measuring my bust, and my bust is by 36 inches. Then I'm going to add my allowance by 1 inch. Then to my armhole, I will be marking 1.5 inch. Then I'm going to give a curve for that. I will also go ahead and mark my waist by 27 inches, adding 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. Then I'm going to connect the lines. After that, to make my waist to sit well when joining the pleating, so I'll be marking 1 inch to curve it at the bottom, as you can see me doing in the video. So after that, I will head over to cut it out. So I will start my cutting from the neckline. This video is very short. I made it this way because I want you to understand it. Take your time, sit back and enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can just click the red button under my video to subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also ask your family members and friends to watch my videos. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel after watching. Please always watch my video to the end and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question concerning this tutorial or any other topic, you can also drop it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to it. So I'm cutting out the neckline. You can see the way I'm curving my scissors. So I'm following the mark that I took. So this is how to cut this neckline, and you saw the measurement that we took before cutting it out. So guys, follow the procedure when making your own. So let me open it so that you can see the stylish neckline that this outfit is having. I have my simple front neckline. You can see how unique and simple it is to make it out. I'll be joining my body parts, so I'm going to start by measuring my bust, which is by 36 inches. So when joining your body parts, don't forget to divide it by 2. So I'm going to mark my measurement now. Don't forget we are joining our body parts now. So my bust is by 36 inches. So I divided it by 2. So I'll go down to my waist, which is by 27 inches. I'm going to also divide it by 2. So when stitching, I'm going to stitch on the mark that you are seeing me marking now. So that's how I'm going to stitch it from my bust. I'm going to stitch it down to my waist. So this is the upper side that we are making now. This is the fabric for the first pleating. So I'll go ahead to mark 11.5 inches for the length, while the width is by 22 inches. Okay, so I'll head over to pleat it out. So that's what I'm showing you guys. So I'll be pleating it like this. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please watch it to the end. Guys, I have my second layers. So the length is by 16 inches. So I'm going to also do the same by pleating it out. Okay, so just keep on watching this video to the end and don't forget to share, like and comment good things about my channel. This is my first pleating, okay, and this is my second pleating. I pleated it by 1 inch. Here is my dress almost ready. So I'll be joining the pleating like this around the waistline. Okay, I'm honored to have you guys around. You can see my 2-layered pleated dress, very simple to cut and sew. Why not challenge yourself today by cutting it out by yourself? I really want you to try making it. Try doing things that you are scared of every day. Please subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment and turn on notification bell to get to see my sewing tutorials that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. Thank you once again for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. And my long video is Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you can also check my YouTube channel to see my other tutorials that I have on my channel. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.